Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video on my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Kishiwada Castle. Kishiwada Castle is a beautiful place to visit in the south of Osaka. It's a small Japanese castle that was first built in the 16th century. The building was can see today was rebuilt in 1954. The stone walls and moat at all and interesting to see. This is a great place to learn about Japanese history. Inside the castle, you can find many displays that show the life of samurai and the history of the Kishiwada area. From the top floor of the castle, you can see the city and Osaka Bay. On clear days, it's possible to see Kansai International Airport. One of the best times to visit Kishiwada is in September. This is when the Danjiri Festival happens. It's a big and exciting event. People pull large wooden roads through the streets. It is fun to watch and feel the energy of the city. Next to the castle, there is a nice park that is beautiful in every season. Many people come in spring to see cherry blossoms. In autumn, the leaves turn red and yellow. In 2025, the World Expo will take place in Osaka. Because of this, more people are coming to discover places outside the city center. Kishiwada Castle is one of the places that show the charm of old Japan. It is a good spot for people who want to enjoy both culture and nature. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.